Hi guys, today I'm reviewing Sony Xperia 5 Mark IV and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So just to turn off our phone, we should press and hold the power key button on the right side of our phone for a few seconds. After that, click here to OK. Now we can see that here the Google Assistant is activated. And if you wanna just display the power menu of your device, you should press the power and volume up button at the same time. So let's just check this option. So press the power key and volume up button. Now we can see here the power off menu. So if you don't want to use the Google Assistant from power button, you can turn off this option. Just to do that, open the settings and scroll down to the system section. Then click to the gestures, tap to power menu and click here on this switcher. Now just to turn off our phone, we can only press the power key and the power off menu is activated. So just to do that, click to power up icon only once, wait a second, and after the vibration we can see that the screen is dark and this means that our device is turned off. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.